The fiery furnace, courage that ignites faith. Imagine being told to choose between your faith and your life. That's exactly what Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego faced when King Nebuchadnezzar demanded they bow to a golden idol. Despite the threat of a blazing furnace, these three young men refused to compromise their devotion to God. "Our God can save us," they declared, "but even if he doesn't, we will not bow." Thrown into the flames, they weren't alone. God joined them. The fire didn't harm a single hair on their heads. Their courage and trust inspire us to remain faithful, no matter the cost. Faith like this changes lives. Share this video to spread the fire of God's love.